Hello, Jaden. Toy reviews?
Hello.
What toy you bought today, Jaden?
Hot Wheels.
Hot Wheels? From McDonald's?
Yeah.
These are the new toys at McDonald's. Wow. And look at the box. What toy is it? Wow.
It's a ramp.
So it's called the D-muscle tight turn ramp.
Yeah, I see a ramp too.
So when you put the car on the ramp, the car turns.
Yeah. Oh, I see stickers.
Stickers? Oh yes, we're gonna put some stickers.
Yeah.
That's fun.
Yeah, that's fun.
Okay, now let's open it, Jaden. Yay! Right, Jaden. So the Hot Wheels McDonald's toy. Here you go. Okay, that's the ramp. Now let's get the instructions. Oh, look at the stickers. You put stickers on it. Let's open it.
Here's a ramp.
Oh yeah, look at the vehicle. What color is it? Is it white?
Yeah. Here are tires.
Oh yeah, look at the tires. They look so cool.
Me
These are the instructions. And this, you put the stickers on it, Jaden. I'm gonna open the instructions. This is the instructions. Comes with the tight turn ramp and the vehicle. Now let's put the stickers. Okay, we finished putting the stickers. Now let's test it out, Jaden.
Yeah, me.
Go in the ramp. Yeah. The car makes a turn, Jaden. This toy is amazing.
Yeah.
The toy makes a turn. Burn and goes faster. Okay, say bye to the camera. Bye.